So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can make light rays effect inside of kinemaster. So let us begin our video and open up kinemaster. So here we are in kinemaster. First we need to take a black background and increase its duration. And now we need to add in text. Here I am taking the text as the master of my channel name and increase the size. And now go in layer, effect, and go on the store option and let it load for a second. Click on blur and install the spiral blur effect. Now click on spiral blur and add this effect. And now make this effect full screen. And now click on setting, decrease the radius to 1, increase the strength to 13 and scroll down. Increase inverse to 1 and quality to highest and zoom out to 0. And mostly our work is done. Now decrease the alpha opacity to almost 40. And now you can see we have already created a light ray effect. Now to create a movement in this effect, you need to drag your effect to the leftmost corner and now click on key option, then go to the last of the clip, click on plus and drag that effect to the rightmost corner. Now click on shape and click on feather and decrease it to almost 20. And now you can see our effect is ready. Now if we need to change the color of this effect, what we need to do is, let me show you, wait a second. Click on the text effect, go on color and change the color. And I am taking red because red is looking really good. And now you have finally created light ray effect inside of kinemaster. So here's the final result or the preview.